As Nigeria seeks to boost its manufacturing sector, one of the leading players in the industry, Mr. George Onafowokan, CEO of Coleman Wires and Cables Company, shares his experience of the company and how it has evolved as a key player in the cable industry in Nigeria and in West Africa, and also the challenges of forex for raw materials he imports, and as well as a word of advice to Nigerian businesses.
We have expanded over the last 4 or 5 years. First, 2009, we did a $2.5 billion project expanding our cable industry. 2014, we did a $4.5 billion project, loan books, also expanding the factories. Last year, October, we opened another $2.5 billion factory in cable, expanding the factory. We have at least currently another 2 to 3 factories being worked on. That is also another expense of $5 billion between loan books and equity. Today, we are the biggest cable factory in West Africa. Going behind this issue of the FX, and I am one on the other side of the FX issue. Now, the FX problem that we have currently in terms of industry is one, our inability to get the FX for our raw materials when we need to. Now, before you could go to CBN and get your money within a day. Today, you don't. So you are in a situation whereby to actually run your business is an issue. Today, we're carrying a staff base of 400. And then we're looking at, but the good thing, there's a good thing with this thing. And I say, as bad as it is, there's a positive to every bad situation. It's the person that sees the opportunity within it. Now, we have expanded drastically when everybody said we were making the most stupid decisions. In reality, everybody said there was no business in cable. Today, we're running, last year we grew at 60%. Today, this year, we're expecting to grow capacity at 100%. We're running at 100% capacity today. Within the next 3 months, we're going 24 hours to meet up demand levels. Now, that was based on not making money for 3-4 years and just continuously expanding because we saw 5 to 10 years ahead of where we think Nigeria should be in terms of the power sector. So we are fully busy. I won't say I'm not busy. Now, but those that didn't take initiatives today, we control 70% of the market share. You will see figures and you say, where were these people before? Now they're forced to find a local supplier to meet up their expectation. Now, what we are now doing is making sure we have enough staff. We're training more staff. But those that did not take initiatives and say start taking the investment are having an issue. Now, with the banks, in reality, the banks don't know what to do with the situation as it is today. So you have a situation where you have to rebalance your business. You have to rethink. As I said earlier, when it is dark, you're looking for the stars to create your own business opportunities. Now, but in creating business opportunities, what I always say to people is, please, endeavor to be patient, to try to see beyond the problems that are weighing you down at that moment in time. Because if you carry the problems over above yourself, you will never see the solution in front of you.